guys, welcome back to another video on 15.0 Alpha Build 1 Minecraft Pocket Edition. I'm here to show you how to make a chicken statue, and please subscribe for more statues because I'll be building them. So this is my first video on my statue. So all you're gonna need to build the chicken is yellow wool, white wool, black wool, and red wool. I learned some of these parts from another YouTuber named TSMC, so please subscribe him too because he has a lot of fun videos. Yeah. First, you're gonna make 6 blocks of yellow wool. See, 6. Wait, is it 6? No, it's 5. Then make another 6 on the side of it, but remember to leave 2 blocks space of blocks apart from it, and then connect the 2 together with 6 yellow wool, and then make another 6 yellow wool on front. Then you're gonna make like I have a mushroom, it's supposed to be wool. Yeah. Then you connect these 2 legs and then make it go up by 2 more, and then make it high by 5 blocks. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on the other side 2. And then connect the 2 together. Then make it go up the front by 3. Yeah, 3, like that. And then you go back by another 4, so fill it. Wait, why 4? Just 3. And then you just fill the whole back like that. Don't forget to cover the front too. See, that's the body of the chicken. Oops, sorry. Once you've covered up the whole body, you leave a space from the corner and then fill it up again like that. See, the camera's going crazy. Yeah, like that, and then go to the other side and do the same thing here. So this is like the wings. There, and then after that you're gonna go here on the front and then leave 2 spaces. Oops, I haven't covered here yet, sorry. Also have to cover it below, so you won't see the inside. So you leave 2 spaces like that from every corner except for the top one. So yeah, like that. So remove these 2 from and then place it like that. There. Wait. It's wrong. Sorry. Not yet. You have to make it higher by 2 blocks, not like that. And then remove this below. I miscalculated, sorry. And then that's where you make it. There you have a chicken statue. Leave a like, please subscribe.